We have our friend Maddie here to help us with this video. And we have a pair of sneakers that... Who designed these sneakers?
Me!
This is our first look together at them. Because you did all of the design work on these.
Don't cut yourself, Daddy.
I know, I'm trying to be careful.
Why is there two of those, guys? And that.
It's a reflection.
Oh. Good. Dad, I have an easier way.
Oh, there you go. All right, Nike by you. This is the box. Can you believe that you designed these all by yourself? Okay, here we go. This is our first look. Ready?
Dad, I don't know this. I don't.
Pull it out this way.
Whoa!
What?
What?
Maddie, those came out amazing.
Whoa! These are so cool.
You crushed this design, Maddie. It looks super good. What do you think?
I like all the dark parts.
The dark parts?
Wait, it says Maddie at the back. M-A-D-D-Y.
It does.
M-A-D-D-Y.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah!
It's your own shoe.
This is sick. I really like this peachy color.
I love the fact that you did like this red, dark red on the tongue, and then black along. This is called the mud guard. Like you did black along there, but then you did the midsole black so it kind of flows together real nice.
Yeah.
And then you did, what is this color?
Gray.
Yeah, and then you did the same color gray on the bottom.
back.
Yeah. And you did the same color pink on the collar.
Yeah.
On the collar and on, yeah.
And here.
And then you did a dark purple around the top part. Give your shoe design a rating of 1 to 10. 10 being really, really good. 1 being...
Nah.
What do you think?
Ding, 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 ding!
That's right. I give it a 10.
10 out of 10.
It looks really good.
Yeah.
You did fantastic. I'm going to talk a little bit more about this later, but but I just wanted to make sure that you were a part of this since you designed. High five. Great job, Mads. If you guys like Maddie's design, what do they do?
Have a comment down below. And like it, subscribe.
So I figured I'd show you guys just a close-up without Mads here. I mean, I'm just really impressed and proud of her for creating this shoe. She did such an incredible job. I love the fact that it says her name on the back of the shoe. And obviously, just the overall look of the shoe is just really, really cool in my opinion. It's crazy that a little 4-year-old can take and just pick and choose the colors and just like eloquently kind of collaborate and put them together so it kind of flows really nicely. But I like that she took and created something that I would have never created, and I think that she did a fire job. There wasn't a ton of crazy colors available, and she's a huge fan of purple and pink and stuff, obviously, so having a little mix of that element is nice. Something that I personally would have never thought to combine is the black on the forefoot of the shoe here, as well as the black on the midsole. I didn't think she would choose black as colors for that, but also like when you're doing like natural colors and neutral colors like black, white, or gray, usually I do one of them and then do a mix of colors, and she literally did all 3 of them, and it still ended up working really well together. Like the way that the gray on the eyelets come together with the outsole traction of the shoe. I just love the idea that she took and added 2 elements to the shoe so it just ties it together. Then the white on the swoosh, and then it wraps around the back, but then you look at the embroidery and it's like that light purple color that she used on the back side or the underside of the Nike swoosh that is done in white. And I like that she did this darker color of red on the toe box that kind of extends through the tongue. I think that was one option. We couldn't choose 2. And then she did the pink liner with the pink laces and that little back collar in pink as well. I don't know, man. I feel like she did a really, really incredible job. The one thing that did stand out as a little bit different was the red ink on the back that said Maddie. I think that her intent was to do the same red color as up here, but it's actually a lot darker right here. So it's a little bit more distracting, but honestly, it lets us know that Maddie created this pair of sneakers right here.
M-A-D-D-Y.
So really proud of my girl, and I wish I would have had like a video of her actually selecting the items and creating it. It's just kind of chaotic when I'm watching the kids and we're sitting down. It was honestly just one of those activities that I was trying to include her in so she wasn't bored or so it was like meltdown sort of period, because sometimes you hit a point through the day where it's just like if there's no nap, then there's like terror. And that's really why I had her design these. But I wish I would have captured the moments of her actually going through and creating the IDs. But next time I do this, I will do that so you can actually see it on screen of what she's creating real time, and then I'll show you the results at the same time as like that video when I get it, because I feel like she does such a fun job. It's really cool to be able to see what she's been able to create. But anyway, that's what we have for this pair, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys do, like Maddie says, drop a like in the video, and I appreciate y'all for stopping by and watching the video. Super fun, and hopefully we'll see you back on some more content. All right, peace, guys.